So I'm going for the retro glam from Natasha Denona today. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically things that make you more fabulous at any age. So if you're interested in this type of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, yeah, I mentioned in a past video, I bought these two Natasha Denona palettes, 40% off on her website a few weeks ago. I don't think the sale is still going on, but they're such beautiful palettes. I did the retro one a couple of weeks ago, and now I'm doing retro glam. It's got such really pretty, sort of a pink and green color story with a lot of nudes and shimmers. And it's just a wonderful palette to go into spring with. So today I'm going to show you going from just a very basic look on to a little more of the glam look. And just stay with me and let's have a little fun with this. Hey, before I dig into my retro glam, I'm going to use a little bit of Natasha Denona Blush and Glow. This is a little mini blush highlighter palette. So just take a little bit of this and it on. Just get a little color in my cheeks right here, and then top it off with a little bit of this highlighter. Yeah. Okay, so here is the beautiful retro glam palette. Colors are so pretty. Flare, Jazzy, Oscar, Evergreen, Marlin, Maxi, Sage, Holly, Fringe, Faye, Flutter, Lucy, Palladian, Belle, and Oz. So really enjoying using this. I've been using it off and on for about a week, and I loved so many of the shades. I think one of my very favorites is this Basic Holly, because it's just such a good base. On a day that you just want to go natural, this a little bit of liner mascara is really all you need. So I'm going to start off with that, and maybe put a little bit up higher here too. And just really a beautiful pale peach shade. Now time to line, and today I'm going to line with Jazzy. This is sort of a dark, sort of a gray with a slight greenish tone to it. And it makes a great powder liner. Okay, now after putting on my base and my liner, now's the time I could just go out and look natural and wear this as a very natural day look, or I could have a little more fun with it. I think I'm going to have a little more fun with it. So I'm going to start by taking this brush. Of course, one way to just enhance a natural look is to go with a slightly darker shade on the outer edge. So let's start with that. This is the shade Belle. And that, again, is just very soft and pretty and a good natural day look. But all of these colors, I want to play with a little bit more. So I think I'm going to take this green Oz and put a little bit of this in the corners and then up into the crease. Just sort of layering it on top of the peach shades. And there you've got a nice, like, smoky eye look. Again, very pretty. Could easily go out with this. But when you've got all of these shimmers to play with, let's take this white shimmer. And white is always good to lighten up the inner corner a little bit. That really has a lot of glow to it, doesn't it? This one's called Flutter. And they also have this really pretty soft green shimmer, Palladian. So I'm going to take a touch of that and then right next to the Flutter. I think I need to do a little more blending. So I'm going to take this sort of soft goldish shimmer, this Oscar, just kind of a nude with a little bit of shimmer, and kind of blend with this. And that just sort of brings the colors together a little bit. But I really want a stamp of Glam. And I think the shade that's going to give me that is Flare. So I'm going to take my finger here and just put it on the flare and right center of the eye, get a little bit of that pink shimmer. Just right in the middle there. And there, that turns it into almost like a little sparkly rainbow. Very subtle, but nice and shimmery with a lot of color. So I'm going to go off camera and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, the mascara's done. I just used my nice budget Maybelline Surreal Mascara. But I love this look and this palette. This Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette. It's a great way to get on your glam. The colors are perfect as we're going into spring and you want to look a little lighter, a little brighter. So many color stories you can do with this. I did a little bit of a rainbow today, but it would be great. You could do an all nude look, an all peach pink look, or an all green look as well, or any combinations. I think this is going to be one of my favorite palettes this year. By the way, I also use Natasha Blush and Glow and the Natasha Denona Concealer as well. I'm going to put a link to all the products I use down below. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.